Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I will be interviewing my cat. I know it's crazy, but she's the best. She loves napping, so whisper. She's asleep. So before we get started, just don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. Quiet. Also, my brother has a YouTube channel too. So we are going to do a challenge. So basically, whoever gets the most subscribers and likes within 3 weeks will win. And then and if I win, I get to make my brother say whatever on his channel. So please, guys, please. The funniest thing, I swear. Just go to Ultimo Blocks. My brother has another one, but I don't know what it's called because he never made it yet. But yeah. So don't forget to check those out once you guys all win for me. So sorry, he's just stop the interview. I want to nap. Mal, you will nap. Just do the interview. No, I don't want to. I want to sleep. Mal, you must. Fine. What's the first question? How old are you? Like I'm 3. And I'm a Mal and I'm a girl. Hey, I was about to say, what's your name? Her name's Mal. Do you have any siblings? Yes, I have a shower. Yes, I have a sibling named Evie. She's my sister. I'm powering. Stop doing this. I'm powering. Alright, what's your favorite color? My favorite color is probably black, and purple. Cool. Now let me. How long have I had it? About 2 years since I'm 3 years old. Good. Hey, no, don't fall asleep on me. Don't fall asleep on me. Don't you dare. Don't fall asleep on me. Aw, dang, she's falling asleep. Sorry, guys. This is just a little short because she will hear me. She's literally trying to go to bed. Sorry, Mal. I know you're purring. Bye. Peace.